Find a relative willing to sacrifice their life, have them put one rune on themselves and the other on the cursed individual.
What are you doing?
I've decided to swap my life for that of my sons. This stays between you and me. I beg of you, don't tell my wife. I will use the remaining 2 years I have left to make him a warrior. The people shall see him as a hero.
That's so not fair!
Who is ZHA?
He is my son.
Naja! Release us! I know you want to help, but this is my fight.
Naja! No!